In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change the contrast video effect on the VLC Media Player application. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up VLC Media Player and select the Tools tab, then select Effects and Filters, and then you want to select the Video Effects tab at the top here. And there should be an option underneath Contrast to adjust it to left or right to change that. You will have to have image adjust toggled on or turned on, and then you can adjust that option down here. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.